Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I'm going to be creating a panel with some new inks from Hero Arts. These are called Hero Hues Reactive inks. If you have worked with Distress Oxide inks, these are water reactive inks that work in much the same way. The main difference is that there is not going to be a white residue once water is added. I'm going to create an ink smushed panel, and I'm using a few colors here. This is a very pretty yellow color, and then I'm using a mild blue. I'm working on the Waffle Flower Water Media Matte, and I'm going to add those colors directly to the mat and then add some water. That will dilute the color and allow it to go onto the watercolor panel very easily. I'm creating this video as part of a cooperation, or I guess you could call it a just kind of a pairing with my friend Tanya Boser, and she blogs at tinkerininink.com. And I'm going to make this panel and send it to her in the mail, and then she's going to finish this off into a card and share the video on her YouTube channel. You can see here that those colors blend together beautifully, and then I'm going to dry this first application with my heat tool and get it mostly dry. It doesn't have to be 100% dry, but mostly dry. And then taking the same ink, I'm going to dip it back into the color, but not as firmly as I did the first time round. All of these tiny little water droplets are going to look really great when picked up on the paper and give it some nice character. And you can see here that I'm even dragging one of the corners through the color to try to give it a little more coverage. This is a wonderful way and so easy to create a very unique handmade card. You could also use this with a scrapbooking project or any kind of paper arts. So this is really fun, and I'm going to add a few water droplets, and you'll see that just that quick amount of time I can pick those water droplets up with a rag, and the color came right up from the watercolor paper. So it's very easy to create, and I hope that you will visit Tanya's link that is going to be in the top line of the video description here and see how she finished off the card. She's going to do something really exciting, and I hope that you enjoy it. And here's a sneak peek at her card. Thanks for watching.
Hi, my name is Trip. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.